Hello everyone! Happy weekend! It is Saturday today and of course we are celebrating Father's Day. Happy Father's Day, D! So syempre hindi tayo papayag na hindi ito i-celebrate. It is your special day. And pupunta tayo sa isang location na kilala here in Puerto Princesa at sasakay tayo ng tricycle from here, more or less 15 to 20 minutes. So, DIY lang tayo. Wala tayong sariling sasakyan. So, naghanap kami ng tricycle na maghahatid doon. And, siningil sa amin ay 60 pesos per ride. Going one way lang to papunta doon. So, saan nga ba tayo pupunta? We are going to a famous 5-star hotel located here in Puerto Princesa sa Barangay Bangkaw, Bangkaw. Ito ay ang Princesa Garden Island Resort and Spa na isa siyang high-rated and awarded by TripAdvisors as a Traveler's Choice Hall of Fame. So, maganda talaga yung resort na ito. So, we are looking forward na ma-enjoy talaga namin yung activities. Actually, ito ay binook ng aking mga anak as a gift or treat for their dad for this special day. And the activities will start at 10 a.m. until 10 p.m. So, medyo na late na kami ng dating since past 11 na. Kasi nag-quick lunch muna kami sa Knocky Knox, isa sa mga paborito naming restaurant here in Puerto Princesa. So, ang inclusion ng activities is full access and mga start siya ng 10 a.m. until 10 p.m. Tapos may different activities to sa hapon, different games, may pa-games sila. Tapos may pa-prizes, tapos may access din sa kung may kasama kayong mga bata, may enjoy nila yung daycare center nila. Tapos may enjoy din yung mga kung may mga teens na kasamang anak at even the adults, may enjoy nila yung entertainment room nila kasi may different pa-games doon, different na katulad ng table games, marami may mga game board din na pwede mong i-enjoy. Tapos meron din parang movie marathon din silang ma-enjoy natin. So, isa sa mga nagustuhan namin dito upon entering sa resort is yung welcoming gestures ng different staff, different crew. Talagang mafe-feel mo na napaka-welcoming at naging nakangiti. Very friendly at very helpful. Medyo may ilang ka at first, pero pag nakita mo na yung ngiti nila, nice. So, mag-feel at home ka na. Isa yun sa nagustuhan namin. Yung service talaga ng mga crew. Napaka-accommodating nila. So, malaki tong resort nito, around 4 hectares. So, malawak talaga siya. And, ang homey, pero napaka-elegante. Tapos, lahat ng portion ay maganda sa paningin kasi nature talaga. Mafe-feel mo yung refreshing at cleanliness. Tapos, yung different amenities, different decoration, ma-appreciate mo. Kasi something cute, something chill. So, maganda talaga siya. So, upon entering, dun kami tinuro sa isang parang registration portion. Dun kami magre-register since nahanapin lang nila sa list yung pangalan namin. So, ako yon pangalan ko. Tapos, nabigyan kami ng sticker na ilalagay sa kamay. Parang isa yun sa symbol na isa kami or included kami sa activities. Kasi alam nyo, bakit? Kasi yung once na meron kang tag na yon, alam nila, hanapin ka kasi nila eh. Ganun yung nangyari sa amin since na nag-swimming kami, in-enjoy namin, pero nawala sa isip namin na may different oras pala yung activities. So, ang ginagawa ng mga staff talaga, hahanapin talaga nila yung mga guest na na merong tag na yellow, na orange. So, i-approach ka talaga nila at i-remind na pumunta dun sa at mag-participate dun sa activities. So, talagang mahihiya kang hindi pumunta kasi nga, isa yung part yun para maging fun talaga yung whole day ng celebration. So, naging ano ba to, cooperative lahat ng guests na nag-join sa activities na ito. So, at least nagkaroon ng buhay yung, kasi nung una kala namin medyo boring kasi parang kami lang. Then eventually pagdating ng hapon, yun na-feel na namin yung fun. So, at first, siyempre, free time pa kami. Ang ginawa muna namin is to explore yung buong area. Since malawak siya, so, tiningnan namin, inisa-isa namin yung different portion, different location. So, malawak, as in malawak. Pero I must say na dun pa lang sa mga different amenities nila, goods na. Kaya hindi nakakapagtaka kung bakit napakamahal. Admit it na mahal talaga yung stay here. Kasi ang alam ko, nagre-range na 10,000 above yung kanilang room per night for 2 packs. Pero alam ko, included naman yung buffet nila. Pero hindi na nakakapagtaka yun kasi maganda talaga yung amenities at yung location at very nice talaga yung mga different thing na ino-offer nila. Kumbaga sulit, as in sulit. Kasi kami day tour lang kami yung peg ng pagpunta namin dito. Na-enjoy na talaga namin at na-appreciate na talaga namin As in talagang okay siya. Super. So, here, ito yung sinatawag nilang parang mini golf. Ito yung portion na to. Diyan may mga pag-games later. Mamaya i-show namin sa inyo yung clips niya. Tapos ito may portion dito sa left side namin na ginagawa pa lang parang additional hall or building for additional guest room, parang gano'n. Kasi marami nagko-construct pa rin during this time. Though itong month na to ay hindi naman siya peak season. So, iilan lang talaga yung mga guests na makikita dito. Yun yung mga magkagandahan sa mga 5-star hotel at medyo matataas na rate ng hotel ay hindi talaga ganong katao. Pero I believe pagdating summer, napupuno rin ng guests. Kasi nga, kilala ang Princesa Garden Island Resort sa kanilang magandang service at magandang amenities. So, ito yung pool area ng mga bata. So, may enjoy for sure ng mga bata ito. Although mainit pa yung dumating kami, so naghanap kami ng magandang location. By the way, ito yung jacuzzi part. So, sarado siya, pero ino-open naman to ng staff. I-approach mo lang sila pag gusto mong gamitin. Kung halimbawa gusto mong ma-enjoy yung jacuzzi, i-approach mo lang yung staff na i-operate nila. So, i-open naman nila yan. So, naghanap muna kami ng magandang pwede naming pag-stayan habang mag-swim kami. Kasi nga, gusto namin i-enjoy yung pool. Kasi pagkakita pa lang talaga namin ng pool, parang tinatawag na kami. Parang sinasabi na, uy, talon ka na, swimming na kayo dito. Which is talagang yung ganun yung vibe. Kasi nature na nature, ang calming, ang chill lang. So, ang ganda ng pool, ang ganda ng mga different halaman. As in, very chilling, makakatanggal talaga ng stress. So, ito yung portion na gusto namin kasi since na para siyang tree house, not actually house, para siyang tree na mayroong upuan o something dyan. So, dyan kami nagstay kasi mas ma-refreshing yung portion. Tapos, ang ganda ng view. Ayan yung pool nila, diba? Tapos, ang pool nila kasi nasa 4 feet lang. So, dito muna kami nagstay, nagpalipas ng konting oras. Tapos, nilibot talaga namin. So, sana ma-enjoy nyo while showing these different kind of clips ng different portion ng resort.
Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago. Back a year ago, as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago. I ain't going back, I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were.
So, medyo napagod kami kaiikot, kaka-explore. So, nag-decide kaming before mag-swimming, mag-snack muna. So, tinry namin ang isa sa mga restaurant na malolocate mismo sa loob ng resort. Ito ang Tomato and Basil. Super nice nung resto. Cozy siya, refreshing kasi para siyang alfresco type pero may bubong. Pero open air kasi siya. Tapos marami rin nagda-dining dito kasi after naming maupo before ma-serve yung food, dumami yung mga guests. So nice. And of course, hindi namin palalagpasin, i-enjoy mismo ang pool area. Actually, ang Princesa Garden ang merong pinakamahabang pool area here in Puerto Princesa. So, in-enjoy namin gaano kalamig. Hindi naman. Actually, hindi siya masyado malamig, hindi rin siya masyado mainit. At ang super linis niya. At isa pa dito, solo namin. O, diba? So, nice. So, sobrang na-enjoy talaga namin.
Each and every day, the past is where it stays. Way back a year ago. back a year ago. They were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago.
Sa'yo, no? Okay. 12. 30 seconds. 25 seconds. Now!
Bagay sa loob ng bahay. Ginagamit sa pagluluto, sa kwarto, sa loob ng bahay. Appliances. Hindi appliances.
Oh, may core. Oh, nice. Ganda naman ng ano nila, lobby nila. Ganda ng lobby. Ganda ng lobby. Ganda ng lobby. It is 5:45 in the afternoon nung matapos yung aming fun games and activities na included sa mismong Father's Day celebration. So, meron kaming enough time para ikutin pa uli itong portion or part ng resort, ang mismong lobby nila. At dito sa lobby, makikita mo rin yung isa sa mga lounge area which is called the Sala Lounge, Sala Lobby Lounge, ganun. Tapos, kasi yung pagpasok namin dito, na-amaze kami sa decoration, sa furniture, napaka-elegante. As in, napaka-cozy, napaka-neat. Ang ganda ng mga design na ginamit. Yung furniture, di mo masasabing cheap, talagang expensive yung ambience niya. Tapos alfresco yung datingan kasi open air siya. So maaliwalas kahit hindi aircon. And we love it so much yung garden area nila. As in, napaka-refreshing. Sarap maglakad-lakad. Kasi ang ganda ng landscaping, ang ganda ng mga halaman nilagay. And lalo na sa part na ito ng restaurant ng Rice, mayroong part sila kasi na alfresco dining. Wherein dito rin talaga gaganapin yung pinaka-dinner buffet mamaya around 6 PM nga. So, ang romantic, diba? Habang naglalakad dito, may mga mini pan na makikita, tapos may mga koi fish. So, napaka-refreshing. Ang cute talaga niya. Ang ganda. Super na love talaga namin dito. As in, na-feel namin yung romantic vibe niya. So, at 6 PM, nag-open na ang pinaka main event ng activities niya ito, which is ang dinner buffet. So we are so excited na kumain na at matry ang masasarap na food nila. So pagpasok, hindi naman kailangan mag-register since ayan na, bumubulaga na sa amin ang aming pangalan. And by the way, ito yung pinaka-highlight ng dinner, ang kanilang grill station na super love ko, sobra. Lalo na yung sauces na ginamit, super love namin. So, ayan, inuna ko muna finlex ang mga dessert kasi obvious naman yan ang una natin tinitingnan. Kung katulad ko kayo na may sweet tooth na mahilig sa dessert, so yun talagang unang tiningnan ko. So, for now, i-enjoy muna namin ang aming dinner. Magpapakabusog muna kami.
I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I ain't going back, I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going live. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot.
Okay, so good evening everyone, and yes, welcome to Princesa Garden Island Resort and Spa as we celebrate the Father's Day and play for 2 persons. Una pa lang to, Sir Larry, ha? Congratulations, Sir Larry, and another.
And the dinner is done. So, super na happy kami sa dinner. Very satisfied. If i-rate namin to 10/10, lalo na yung kanilang grilling station, yung kebab, yung sauce, hindi namin malilimutan. Super sarap talaga. Tapos, ang daming variation, ang daming choices. As in, lahat ng food ay super approved talaga. So, since na tumayo kami ahead of time, kasi until 10 PM nga dapat yung dinner, pero hindi na namin tinapos. Since ang magiging problem here is pag DIY ka, katulad as na walang sariling sasakyan, is yung pagdating sa gabi, limited lang yung mga tricycle na dumadaan. So, what we did, around 5 PM, lumabas ako kanina before mag-dinner. So, meron na agad ako kinontrata na tricycle driver na babalik around 9 PM. So, yun yung sinabi namin. So, habang nag-aantay, umikot-ikot ulit kami sa resort para at least ma-appreciate natin yung resort not only during daytime, at least sa gabi, ma-appreciate natin yung lights niya, yung feels, yung pagiging romantic ng place, pagiging cozy niya, yung chilling, refreshing. Tapos, parang na-imagine na namin kung gaano ba kasarap magstay here at least one night para ma-enjoy mo din yung gaano kasarap yung pool, diba? As in, sana, hopefully, makabalik ulit kami dito. Though it is, we know na pricey yung per night dito, pero I believe it is worth it. Kasi yung amenities niya, sa pool pa lang na napakahaba, napakalinis. Tapos yung mga decorations, yung garden niya, as in, hindi rin nakakapagtaka bakit siya na-awardan ng TripAdvisors as a traveler's choice as a Hall of Fame. Gawa nga ng best service, best amenities, as in, maganda, approved talaga. So, sana makabalik kami here at ma-enjoy ulit namin ito.
Been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright. And for the first time in a long time, I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
And that's it, guys. Finally, we are going home. Andyan na yung sundo namin sa labas. And super na-enjoy namin ang resort, ang activities, ang amenities, as in lahat. The food is so good. So, highly recommended siya. So, try to consider Princesa Garden whenever you go here in Puerto Princesa. And hoping na-enjoy nyo rin yung mga na-share namin, kahit pa paano nakatulong at nakadagdag ng konting information. And sana, please like and subscribe na din. So, bye for now, guys. See you soon. Bye.